Jadaol Cat8 Flat Ethernet Cable. First is the shape. The flat design of the cable allows for a cleaner and safer installation. You can easily and seamlessly make the cable run along the walls or follow edges and corners. If your wall happens to be white as well, the cable will become barely noticeable once installed. Or you can even make it completely invisible by sliding it under a carpet or between the carpet and the wall. This flat shape also prevents the cable from sticking out, making it less likely for someone to accidentally pull on it or even trip on it. On top of this, our Jadaol cable is very durable. The flat shape combined with a high quality PVC and 100% bare copper wires allow you to bend it around the corners without damaging the cable or the wires inside. You can't say the same about regular Ethernet cables. And when it comes to this performance, don't be fooled by how slim it is. The Jadaol Cat8 cable offers a top-of-the-line performance with a frequency as high as 2000 MHz, and it can transfer data at a stunning rate of 40 GB per second. This cable is compatible with any device equipped with RJ45 port, which means about 99% of devices on the market. The Jadaol Cat8 Flat Ethernet cable is fast, easy to install, seamless, durable, and comes with a reliable warranty. So why settle for less? Jadaol